Yeah, Eileen. There's rotation on it. There's a funnel cloud. Right there. A little bit of a cone funnel. Trying to develop into something, but I don't think there's enough spin in there, enough spin in the updraft for it to do it. You can see it rotating though. It's rotating really well, actually. Quite a bit of rotation in there. Quite a bit. That is definitely a wall cloud though, I can tell you that one. This is amazing storm structure right here. Amazing storm structure. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, it's trying to form into something. Look at that. I feel bad for that airplane right there. They're flying right into it. Oh, it stinks to be them. Hey Vicky, I feel bad for that one airplane I just saw. They're flying right into it. But they're gonna have to turn around and go in for a landing at the airport soon. Because they're gonna run into heavy turbulence if they don't. And that means they're basically done for. Yeah, looks like it's weakening now. Might be weakening. Yeah, that's beautiful weakening now. I'm paying attention on this bad boy now. Oh wow, look at that one. That one's huge. Well-defined anvil. Thing has a well-defined anvil on it. Well-defined anvil.